Welcome EPS parents and students. Today we will show you how to access Microsoft Teams on your iPad. We will be using Teams as a multimedia, multi-party communication platform to connect teachers and students. To access Microsoft Teams, please open your App Store on your iPad. Move down to the magnifying glass and tap on Search. Tap in the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. Once you have typed Microsoft Teams, tap on Search, tap on Microsoft Teams, and tap on Get. Once it's finished downloading, tap Open, and then by username, email, or phone, tap over there and type in your username, then tap on Go. Tap by password, type in your password and tap Sign In. Teams would like to send you notifications, tap Allow. Teams would like to access the microphone, tap OK. Amplify every student's voice, tap on Next. Chat and plan with educators near and far, tap Next. Feedback that makes a difference and saves you time, tap Next. The class stuff you need when you need it, tap Got It. You have now successfully logged on to Teams